Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Martensville, a charming city located just north of Saskatoon in Saskatchewan. Martensville was founded in 1966 and has grown from a small hamlet into a thriving community. The city was named after the Martens family, who were early settlers in the area. Over the years, Martensville has become known as the City of Parks due to its numerous green spaces and recreational areas, providing a perfect environment for families and outdoor enthusiasts. Martensville is situated on the flat, open plains of the Canadian prairies, offering beautiful, wide-open spaces and a peaceful setting. Whether you're visiting for the day or considering making Martensville your home, you'll find a welcoming and friendly atmosphere in this growing city. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Martensville, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.